Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video I am going to show you how to check the real battery health of your iPhone. So for this purpose, first you need to open Settings app on your mobile device. Then in Settings app you need to scroll down. After scrolling you can see this battery option, you simply need to click on it. Then here you have the option of battery health and charging, tap on it. Then on this page you can see maximum capacity of your phone battery. But for seeing real battery health of your iPhone, you need to open Chrome on your mobile device. Then in the search bar you simply need to search for iPhone battery shortcut. Then this type of page will appear on your screen. Here click on this option. Once you click on first one, then here you need to scroll down. And here you have this option battery stats shortcut. You simply need to click on it. Then this page will appear on your screen. Here at the bottom you have the option of add shortcut. You simply need to tap on it. And then what you need to do, go to Settings app again. In Settings app you need to scroll down and here you have the option of privacy and security. You need to click on it. Once privacy and security option will appear on your screen, then here you need to scroll down. And here you have the option of analytics and improvements. You simply need to tap on it. And on this page you have the option of analytics data. Click on it. And here you have some different data. Here you need to simply click on analytics data. And at the top right corner you have this arrow. Click on it. Once you click on arrow, then on this page at the bottom you have battery stats option. Tap on it. But here it didn't show the battery health of my iPhone because it's not analytics data. By doing this process, your analytics data will automatically appear in your data and you simply check your iPhone battery health. So this is the way you can check iPhone real battery health. So that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching.